First impressions of this set. It's a pretty big set. The aeroplane is gigantic. Here it is compared to the Slubin aeroplane. Yeah, the Slubin is nowhere near as big. In fact, this plane is actually 50% longer than the Slubin plane. So you can see the wing is massive. Yeah. Now here's the instruction manual. It looks very similar to the Lego instruction manual. Quite big and pretty thick as well. Here are the stickers. And this is supposed to be the control tower. But one weird thing about this is that the control tower is actually made like this. Yeah, instead of it being like this and having another story of that. Here we have all the plastic packages that come with this set, and there's no labeling on it, but it is categorized by size and shape. Here are the minifigs. And let me know below in the comments section if you like, which background you like more. Do you prefer the floor or the table? Or if you don't prefer any, let me know in the comment section below. And make sure to stay tuned for the speed build of this aeroplane, the review, and the customization. I'll see you in the next video.